Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to enable Start Menu Recommendations to show tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more in Windows 11 Build 25309. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Now, download the Vive tool from the link given in the description. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator and execute the following command. After executing the commands, restart your PC, in order to see the change. After restarting the PC, you'll have an option under Personalization, Start Menu Recommendations to show tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. If you don't want to see recommendation content, you can toggle it. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.